So the reason I came here is I was having severe sinus problems where I was completely stopped up, and I had tried all kinds of medication and I still wasn't sleeping at all. And I was actually suffering some depression because I didn't feel like I was ever going to get better. The procedure I had done here was balloon sinuplasty, and I was very pleased with the results. It didn't take as long as I thought, and within about a week of rinsing daily, a few times a day, I was feeling immediate results, and so very, very happy with what I had done.